The first thing is, I think that folks have to get through their mind, and I'm 57, is you're never too old to learn. As soon as you turn off, I say, as soon as you're not learning, you're dying. You know, I tell it to young chefs all the time, there's no way you are ever going to know it all. Matter of fact, my dad used to tell me, the older I get, the more I realize I don't know. He has a different word, but I'll just say stuff. The older I get, the more I realize I don't know anything. And I think that so often, especially at that age that I was at, 22, 23 years old, come on, I had it figured out. I went to college. So I don't want to say that I didn't hit the bottom. I wasn't in those kind of dire straits, but somebody I really respected told me that this was the book. And I looked at it and I was kind of like, yeah, if this is the book that's going to help me, it's only that thick. This is my kind of book. Little did I know I had to read it 85 times, cover to cover. But the principles are so straightforward. And Dale Carnegie was such a great storyteller. And my mind always I trip out all the time. Like, where did he get it? Like, but it goes back to that thing that we learned. What is that thing they say? Everything you need to know in life, you learn in kindergarten.
Right. Yeah.
Think before you speak. My favorite was Abe Lincoln writing the letter, and he's going to send the letter off, and he decides to table the letter and put it in his drawer. Oh boy, we love to get an email, fire one back off and let him have it. Pump the brakes a little bit, folks.